Okay, folks. Here is the puppet. Look closely, you see the blue in the eyes, and even some veins in there. It's bald. Here we have some button snaps there. Which connect to this. Here we have the neck, and then whatever this is, I guess just the body. This will connect. Once it's all snapped together, it'll look much cleaner, and this black is going to cover up the back there. And then we have the body, which very impish. See the and the hand. It's only going to have one arm, just as I will whenever it's connected. The black lines are going to be minimized whenever I paint it again, so it'll just have a little shadow, a little depth. And here's the wheelchair. Very, very unfinished. The wheels do spin, both of them, because of this little hinge sort of thing that I've done. And here's the back of it, very much like the sketch that I did to start with. I especially like the handles. It's going to fit in like this, and my arm will hopefully be able to, I'll probably have some elastics, and my arm will fit through that hole. And I'll be able to do one of these things. Haven't quite worked out all the mechanics behind it, but I'll figure it out.